Hey everyone, this is a 12 by 16 canvas that has had two paintings done on it before we turned this camera on. That did not turn out, so I cleaned it all off, poured some black on it, and we're going to do a waterfall pour. So I am going to be using metallics along with white and black, and we're just going to start in a corner and let it flow. Maybe, yeah, I'm not sure, corner or side. I haven't taken it that far yet. So I put in some white. This is Creative Inspirations Copper. A little bit of black from Creative Inspirations as well. Craft Smart Gold. This one's been giving me an issue today. Let's see if she's plugged. And she is a little bit. Okay, so we got the gold in there. And I have some Craft Smart Deep Bronze as well. I'm going to hit that with black again. Add some more white. Some more copper. Some black. Some gold. Some deep bronze. I'm going to go back to the black. Okay. So now we're just going to start up here and work our way down. So I'm just going to do little circles. My puppy dog's barking because my husband just walked in the door. So we definitely know we're going to pour some of this white off. Okay. So I love the metallics, and we're going to stretch all that out. And these paints do have silicone in them, so we will get some cells. Alright. I do want to bring it all the way down here first. Then I'm going to head back up. Take just that center off. We'll stretch it out. Now sometimes when you're doing abstract art, you'll find a look, like if it's off wonky, leave it. You don't have to make it perfect, because acrylic pouring is abstract art. So you want to play around with the looks that you can get with it. So I'm going to take that off just there, and I'm going to bring it way back. I'm going to try to get some more of that white off. And I did go over the edge right here. And that's okay, because I can. I want to take, I want this to come, not that. Alright, let me get it down here. Okay. So right there is where I'm really liking it, because I love this way it's all shattering through here. And to get that paint back is almost impossible. So what I'm going to do is take this black here and touch that edge so that gold will stop going over. And that should work. Might need a little black there too, because I did not pour the black off when I put it down. I just spread it around So let me make sure I'm covered everywhere. Okay, we're good. So that's going to be it for that one. I'm going to torch it now. Still not liking all that white in the corner, but we'll see what happens. So if I bring that white down just a little bit more, it's just that one end that I don't like. There, I got it. And on this part right here, on this black, I have some black with no silicone, and I'm going to touch that up because I don't like that gold touching there. And that will knock it off for me. So, that's it for that one, guys. If you have not subscribed yet, click below. Hit that bell for notifications. Join us on Facebook for the Parage Posse. You don't have to be a painter to join. You can come in and look at everybody's stuff, hang out, we chit-chat as well. I'm really liking that copper in there. But shop with us on Etsy and Redbubble. Get all your supplies on my Amazon shop. All those links are below. Fan mail box is below. Donating to our channel, that link is below. We use everything that we get donated to us, we use for supplies. We're not out taking any trips or going out to eat or anything, so it all goes back into the business so that we can bring you all these nice videos for you to watch and learn. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Facebook. If you don't do Facebook, you can contact me through my email, and that is Christina Welch Art at yahoo.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye now.